The first tour of the 2015 LCCA National Convention was a trip on the Conway Scenic Railway. Before we departed the station for this adventure, our members had the opportunity to check out this huge railroad yard and see many vintage pieces of historical rolling stock and motive power. Part of the main Central Railroad, the Notch train was named the Mountain Division line, and for good reason, as it offers riders a beautiful view of the mountains and the Crawford Notch. Everywhere we turned, one could take in breathtaking scenic vistas. Look at this view from the famous Frankenstein trestle. This was a train ride to remember and a perfect start to the LCCA convention week ahead. This has been a Lionel Collectors Club of America production, where we are constantly striving to bring our members, friends, and fans the most updated information and communications for all things Lionel.